So anyone who travels in their RV for any length of time knows that eventually you get out of the wash. And with laundry, we have laundry detergent, bleach, and fabric softener from stores. Do I have a space-saving tip for you today on that? Welcome to RV America's 1-minute tip. So currently, I have to do my laundry with my dryer sheet. I have my laundry detergent, and I have my bleach. All of this, which is taking up quite a bit of space. Recently, I discovered these. These are what's called laundry sheets. So you take one of these, and I tried them out, and I like them. They seem to do a good job. They come in sheets. This will do a small load of laundry. You use a whole one for a full load. Now, we're not affiliates with these people or anything. I just saw something and decided I wanted to try them. They have a great smell, and I really like them. Now, instead of all this, I'll have this and this. To me, that's a good space saver. Now, I'll tell you a secret. I have also found out, because I'm not a big fan of carrying this in the RV because, bleach can be a really big mess. They have bleach tablets that you can now get, and that's going to be the next thing I try on my list next time I go somewhere to pick them up or order them off Amazon or something. Bleach tablets, and then I'll just have 3 little things that will really open up a lot of space for me. So I'll just let you know, in case you want to try the ones I have, I'm putting a link to them in the Amazon store, which is below in the description. Also, think about this. This comes in a cardboard box. I'm saving my world because I'm not buying plastic and laundry detergent anymore. Until next time, God bless and many safe travels.
And go RV America.